Hi everyone, this is Kenny here, and today I'm in Aman Suria, Petaling Jaya, Selangor. I want to try this restaurant here, Goc Viet. I heard a lot about this restaurant being a homely Vietnamese food. They used to start from a store, now they have a restaurant. So let's go try it out. So you're at Aman Suria. This is where the shop is. This is the shop, Goc Viet. Okay. Okay. Very standard looking restaurant. Menu. Got banh okay, okay. Wow, quite a lot eh. Vietnamese ham also got. No pets allowed. This is their menu. You can even WhatsApp to order. The very extensive menu. Non-halal, got pork. So I came here, I ordered. Hold on. Yeah, this. For pork, they have specialty this. And I tried their spring roll version, steam version. They have this, the fresh or steam. Okay. This one, it reminds you of the Hong Kong Chee that you used to have. And this ham here is pork. So drinks. Okay, thank you. There's my pho. Drinks, these are the drinks available. But when it comes to Vietnamese restaurant, I definitely have to take coffee. Vietnamese coffee. So this is Vietnamese coffee, hot one, without condensed milk, just the way I like it. Looks like I don't have to sleep tonight, and I don't plan to. Planning to work through the night. This is my pho. It smells great. Let me see. You can see there's a pepper, pork ball. No, it's not pho. Looks like normal kway teow. I forgot what is it. Okay, this is the one. I can't pronounce the Vietnamese name. It's not pho. Wow, it's bún. Yes, bún. Okay, okay. Pho and bún is different. This is how bún look like. Maybe raining outside, and this definitely looks very appetizing. Let's try it out. Soup is also very clear. Let me try. You can taste all the mint, the spices. They put a lot of mint inside. You can see inside here. So you can taste the mint in the soup. Also with the pork. Maybe taste the pork. Very nice. So you want to add chili, you can go cake yourself, but maybe not. These past few days I had enough chili already. Okay, one more thing you need to add is this. Alright? Give it the sour taste. Just now the spice is good enough, but this is how they eat it. It is sour. It's very nice, I think. Okay, this is my spring roll. So this is actually steamed rice. It reminds me of the Chee Chong Fan, the usual Hong Kong Chee Chong Fan. The texture also the same. I had this a lot in Vietnam as well. Right on top of the fresh spring roll. Okay. So put it here and have it. Vietnamese in general, they don't really take as much spicy like us. But so sometimes you go to this Vietnamese shop in Malaysia, the taste bud has changed to suit our taste bud. I put some of the mint. It looks like your small kway teow, it's called bun, not pho, bun. Right? You squeeze the lime, get a little bit sour, balance up with the taste of the meat here. If you want, you can add chili. They actually gave me some chili to add. Usually you don't see this in Vietnam. It's good to our local taste bud. You can see here, it's like our popiah, right? Just the outside the skin we use different. It's actually Jongkwan plus popiah. You see, even the turnip inside is there. Put a little bit of sauce, alright? It's like having this Jongkwan with turnip. Okay? This is how it tastes like with covered with the rice. Vietnamese coffee. You just let it drip, right? Let it drip nicely. Until now, I have not been able to find this coffee commercialized. Even the normal coffee that I ordered at Shopee, the taste not the same. The Vietnamese coffee is a more chocolatey taste. I suspect the shops, right, they have their own blend or they have their supplier, because the taste I always cannot get one. Vietnamese coffee, the smell is amazing. This is the part, that I can't get the taste and also the smell. I make at home different, even though the Vietnamese coffee I bought online, it's the same brand that I bought. I saw them brewing in Vietnam, but I still cannot get the smell and the taste. I just don't know what I did wrong. Wow, this is good. This is really good. I don't get this taste at home. I really don't know how they make it. I use the same coffee powder like them. Maybe it's their own blend. It really reminds me of Hanoi. I miss Hanoi. So I want to continue with my dinner. If you are around the corner, do come to this restaurant, Goc Viet. Okay, they serve a lot of authentic homemade Vietnamese cuisine, and they are closing at 6. I'm here at 5:40, so I better finish this fast so that they can rest. Alright, this is Kenny here, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye. As usual, I will leave the location, the address, everything in the description down below. So check it there. Check the description. Alright, bye.